Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a new cars in NFS Most Wanted 2005. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to check my video description for these two links. Select the download option over here, and same thing for this car download option. And after getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded files and select WinRAR and select extract to. Same thing for another file over here. Double click on the mod loader folder. Right click, select extract WinRAR to extract to. Take extract and double click on it. Copy all these files and go to the game folder and paste over here and go back to the downloads and double click on the GTA Spano folder and now copy this both file and go to the game folder and paste it. Select replace the file in the destination and now open the game. And after opening the game, you just need to load any profile and go to my cars and add new cars, and you just need to go back, and as you can see the new car has been added. Select accept to select this car, and you can customize if you want, and that's how you can add a new car in NFS Most Wanted 2005. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.